Why do you need to create your own digital product? Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about information product creation. Why do you need to actually create one for yourself if you want a sustainable business? And what are some of the benefits that are possible for you if you know how to promote and launch your information product business successfully? Well, first of all, let's look at information product creation. This is a fancy word, but it simply means you have some idea, you have some concept in your mind. Because every one of us, we have a list of expertise and knowledge and passion that are trapped inside of us. But oftentimes, we do not know how to monetize them. So I'd like to share with you some of the ideas how you can actually make that possible. Information product creation is nothing more than the transformation of those ideas and concepts in your mind into tangible or intangible products that will actually help to generate you income even while you are sleeping. Right? What is tangible products? Tangible products are probably things that you are very familiar with. They are things that you can see, that you can touch, that you can feel, and even you can smell. There are things such as CDs and DVDs. But even CDs and DVDs, inside them you have information that is stored in digital format. So what about intangible products? Intangible digital products are simply things that, while you can see them on your computer screen, but you probably cannot touch or feel them. However, the trend is people are liking digital products that are intangible more and more. And by far, it is the more preferred way for people to buy and consume products. Books, traditional information products that you are probably very familiar with, are now very popularly being turned into a digital product, such as ebooks hosted on platforms such as Kindle. So the chances, if you have ever downloaded an ebook or a music on iTunes or buy an online course before, you have actually bought a digital product. And this digital product business is a billion-dollar industry. Now, why do I say that? Let's take, for example, Udemy. You've probably heard of Udemy.com. Udemy currently has more than 4 million students on this platform. They have over 20,000 courses, and they are generating more than $93 million in sales every year. Another popular online platform is called Lynda.com. This is another place where a lot of people go to buy online courses. They are generating more than $100 million per year. So you can see why digital product business is easily billions of dollars industry every single year. Now, there is a reason why this trend continues to be on the rise. Let me share with you some of the top reasons among the many reasons why you need to actually create your own digital product business. First of all, digital products such as ebooks, MP3 audio files, video tutorials, and online courses, they are very easily sold on the internet. It is very cheap to deliver. You need nothing more than just a few cents in bandwidth. That is how much it is going to cost you. It's crazy, it's mind-blowing. That it is literally that cheap for you to sell information products. It doesn't cost you much. Not only is it cheap for you to produce and for you to sell, it is also very cheap and easy for you to create. You will not need a huge office space. If you don't like it, hey, you don't even need an office in the first place. You can actually be working from your home. You do not need to store any inventory. You do not need to have any supplies headache. And you don't even need employees. You can do this as a solo entrepreneur because the whole thing can be automated and you can be selling your digital products again and again once you have created them. That's right, you heard me right. You just need to create your digital products one time and then you can sell it over and over again. And that is a reason why this business is so scalable. And that is the reason also why it's a billion-dollar industry every single year. And I believe that this trend is just going to continue to rise. So you are either riding on the platform, you are either riding on the wave, or you are left out of it. So I would say jump on the bandwagon right now. This is a business that you can actually digitally download them while you are sleeping. And that is the power of it. I mean, think about it. Literally, while you are sleeping, somebody on another time zone, on a different part of the world is awake, right? You can actually link your digital product to your PayPal account, to your website or your sales funnel platform, and you can automate the whole thing so that while people are downloading your information products, you could be sleeping through it all and you will be making money while you sleep, literally. That is why you can see it is a very lucrative source of income. If you know how to promote them effectively on the web, you can actually make a living out of this. I do not know of any other platform that is as easy as this as a way to make you money online, and it is the fastest way for you to break into a niche and to make you profit immediately. And not only that, it allows for you to build and establish a brand that you are passionate about, and it's a good way for you to build your authority in that particular niche that you are in. Hey, if you are an expert who is still trading your time for money, let me tell you that you are missing out a lot if you do not have an information product. Because if you want your business to be scalable, if you want your business to be sustainable in the long run, you cannot be trading your time for money all the time, because your time is a very finite resources. If you stop trading your time for money, the income will stop coming in. However, if you have an information product, you just need to create them one time and you can sell them again and again. And therefore, you can scale them and sell them to unlimited number of buyers out there. Okay, the world is your oyster. You need an information product for your business to be a sustainable business. And once you have a digital product, you can actually build a list of buyers. And there are so many benefits to having a list of buyers. It is literally your business assets. Once you have a list of buyers, you can build relationships with them over time. You can send them email newsletter. Through all this time that you are adding values into their lives, you're actually establishing trust and credibility and positioning yourself as an authority figure in your niche. As a result, people who have already trusted you will buy from you again and again in the future. And it is not uncommon for digital product creators to actually sell their list of buyers higher price products later on. So you can do the same. Why not that be you? Once you have your digital product, you can recruit an army of affiliate marketers who will actually be out there promoting your products for you, and you can set the amount of commission that you're going to pay them. It is totally in your control. Okay? And if they do not make money, if they do not make a sale, you don't actually have to pay them. How powerful is that? And once you have your digital product, you are successful in that one particular niche. Do you know that you can actually diversify to other niches? By doing so, you can create unlimited and multiple source of income. I do not know of a better business that you can get into this year that will allow you to have multiple sources of income and that will give you such a high return on your time and your investment while requiring such a low startup capital to start with. So hey, if you have not created or even thought about creating your own digital product business by now, I would actually suggest that you start thinking about it. This is the time for you to control your own destiny. You can actually take control over your own life. Get started to learn how to create and produce your own information product. That will just simply establish you as the go-to expert in your market and in your niche. If you like videos like this, I produce videos like this twice every week. So if you have not already done so, do click on that subscribe button so that you'll be getting more videos like this. If you want more resources, check the description box section down below, as I have included in this description box the link to my special report called 5-Step System: How to Create Your Info Product Quickly that will build you a passive income business. Hey, my name is Nelson Chow. I hope that I'll see you again in our next video. Until we meet again, take care.